Hey, if you want to change notification sound on your POCO M6 Pro, first you will have to go to the settings, then from here scroll down and go into the sound and vibration, and you will have to select the notification sound. So click on it, and now you will be moved into this store where you can actually download the new sounds, but you can also use the default one and custom. So by clicking right here, you have to select notifications, and here you can find the default sounds. And each time you click on the sound, it will be applied successfully. So as you can see, that's how it looks. And unfortunately, we got some ads on the smartphone, so you will have to wait for this few seconds. And if you want to get your custom sound as the notification, click on the right bottom corner and select something from the sound recorder, file manager, or just music. And now you can just go back, and that's how it looks. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.